Hi, I'm Christian and I will be your host for this presentation. We will create a document in Excel which will be a report about opportunities. For that, we will have to configure a PDF Butler in Salesforce, then create a template, and finally make the link between the configuration in Salesforce and the final document. Let's begin with Salesforce. So I'm simply logging in. And now I will launch PDF Butler. For that, I will go to the App menu and locate PDF Butler and click it. Here we are on the Get Started tab and we can see that there is a data source and .config tab. Let's select data sources. Here I have no data source, so we are creating a new one. For that, click New in the header. Now we can select SQL, which means that we will retrieve the data by doing a Salesforce object query. Here I can name it and also select appropriate type. We want a list of opportunities. In the bottom we can see the query and we can modify it, but we will skip it for now and do it on the next screen. Let's save. Now I am in the screen for that specific data source that is named opportunities. On the top right in the header you can see SQL Builder. Let's click on it and it shows a pop-up where I can select the object that will be queried. Let's filter it to have opportunities. I typed OPP and it gives me all the names with OPP at the beginning. Opportunities is the first. I select by clicking the appropriate button on the right. Now I'm presented with fields and I need to select few of these fields for my reports. I am interested in the amount, in the name, in the probability, and the closing date. We can see that the fields are correct by going into the Review tab. Here we can see that I did select 4 fields and the SQL has been updated. Everything seems correct, so we can save the query. Query has been updated at the bottom. You can see that query settings now reference the new query. We can now create the .config. Here I have no .config, so I will create a new one by clicking New on the header. I want an Excel document, so I select Main Excel document and I validate. Here I can name it and it's still about opportunities. I will name the document Opportunities. Everything else is fine, so I can save it. It opens a new page with a custom link to PDF Butler. This is where we will explain how to link the data source to the template. So let's click it to open PDF Butler. In this screen, we are interested to the data sources and to the .config documents for now. Let's first add our data source and select opportunities, which is the one we just created. The pop-up changed to show us the details, so we can validate that PDF Butler understood it properly. Here we can see that the fields and the types are correct. Also, the type is indeed a list. So we can save this. Now it's time to go into Excel and create our template. I will create a blank workbook and will put some formatting to get it looks beautiful. First, we have 4 columns, so I will select 4 cells and merge them. This will be my title. Also, I want to have some columns with names, and for that, I will simply type labels. We have a name, we have an amount, we have a probability, and we have a close date. Let's give it some spacing. Now, probability is not correct, so let's give it more rooms. Now we want to add the merge field. Merge fields are simply text we can input in the cells. Here we have name, so we want to create a merge field name. For that, we type 2 open square brackets followed by an exclamation mark. Now we can type the name of the merge field and close the merge field by adding an exclamation mark and 2 closing square brackets. Let's do the same for amount. We open the merge field, type amount, and we close the merge field. For probability, I will use a shorter name. And for close date, I will just put the word close as a name. It's important that it's easy for you to remember which merge field goes with data. It will make your life easier. Now we can add some formatting. And lastly, we need also to format our data. So the amount will be a currency, the probability will be a percentage, and the close date will be a short date. That's all we need. We can now save the document. And we will save it in a demo folder. Now we just show to PDF Butler the merge field, but also we must indicate which part to repeat. For that, we will select the cells to repeat and name them. To name a group of cells, simply click on the name box where A2 is displayed and give it name. I call this opportunity. I hit enter and to Ctrl S to update the document. Now we are done. We have everything we need. We can close it. Let's go back to PDF Butler and do the final changes. We need to create config type that will explain which data from the data source go in which location in the document we just created. The first thing we have to create is the repeated region. For that, we click on Add Config Type. We give a name. It will be not a single, but a region. The data source is our opportunities, and the region name is not there. Indeed, I did forget something very important, so we will cancel this. We need to upload our document, and for that we go to docconfig documents and click choose file. Here I'm in the demo folder and I choose the template. I will give it a name and I will call it default because it's my default alternative. And I save. You can see that everything goes fine because the small number, green, orange, red, are indicated success, warnings, and errors. There is only one success. Let's go back to add config type. Select region. Select the data source. And now you can see that the select box has opportunity. This comes straight from the document, so it makes your life easier. Let's hit OK, and again it's saved. Still no error, it's fine. Now we need to explain how to take the data and put them in the merge field. For that, we will use single config types, and they will use the same data source as the repeated row. We will put the name first, and you can see that you have autocomplete. Just adding the field. And sometimes you have this issue because your browser takes precedence in autocomplete. That if you type more and there is no local autocomplete available, then our autocomplete take precedence. And the closing date. Now we have everything configured properly. We can save to server. Now comes the part where we want to see the document. Here I have a fresh installation of Salesforce, so I need some setup. I need to add the component to be able to generate the document. For that, I will go into the opportunity page, because the document is related to opportunities, and I will open an opportunity. Any opportunity will do. I just need to open one. Now on that page, I will use the component on the right column, just below change close date. For that, I will use the cogs and click on edit page. In the bottom, you can see that you have custom managed component. There is two on my installation, and the one we are interested in is PDF Butler docconfig. Just drag and drop it at the right location. You can see that the small green bar indicates what it will be created. Let's create it here. We have to configure it, and the sole configuration that is required is the docconfig to retrieve. We need to put an ID, and this ID can be found by using Salesforce. For that, I will go back to the home page of my Salesforce, and head to docconfig, opportunities, and in the top you have the URL where you can see that there is identifier followed by /view. We are interested to this part and we will copy it in this field. So what I did is going to docconfig, selecting opportunities, and then copying this part before view. I did paste it here. And you can see that the page has updated and the docconfig name has been recognized and there is an action button. So we are happy with it and we save. Changes are saved. We can activate the page. Here the page is already org default, so I don't have to click the button. If it's not as org default, you have to make it as org default. This makes it available to your users. Let's close this, and now we can go back. As you can see, I have my new panel on the right, and I can click the XLSX button. This download files labeled opportunities.xlsx. Let's open it and enable editing. As you can see, we have all our amount, all the names, all the probabilities, and all the close date. This is how we can do a report with PDF Butler. Stay tuned for new features that are coming.